Alright, we're all warmed up here. Installed a new distributor cap, timed it. Put a proper carburetor, Merccarb carburetor kit in. Someone put an Automotive carburetor kit in and the float was not right at all. So let's see what she does. No touchy. That's idle. It's all warmed up, around 175. She's on the hose. There you have it. Me 1. Mercruiser 3.0, 0. Kirk out. Engine oil was very, very dirty and has not been changed in a long time. So we're going to do that right now while it's hot. This has a drain hose that comes from the oil pan and it has a plug. So we're just going to let this go for an hour or so. Let it drain really good. And then touch up this drive a bit. There's a bit of free play right here. So I'm going to figure out where that's coming from and try to tighten it up. Okay, so we're all put back together here, all buttoned up, oil change complete, hoses, cables, everything where they belong, flame arrestor. We have a cold engine. All we should have to do is give it, I can't have 3 hands here, 2 good pumps of fuel, put it in neutral, and it should start right up. Now, that hissing sound, that's the TKS turnkey system. This thing will fast idle for about 8 minutes, and then the idle will drop down and we'll come back then. Alright, here we are 10 minutes later. Got a pretty good idle going. I'm going to put it into gear and then release it. Let's go into gear. Give it some fuel. Bring it back down. Idle. Does that well. Go to reverse. We should never gun it in reverse. Do a little bit. Back to neutral. There you have it.